Recently I found an ad for this sofa on Pinterest, and when I check on the price, it is more than 3k. Then I wanted to replicate it for a cheap price for my kids' room. Then I found this double blanket on eBay for just £10.99, and I ordered it. Before we start, I just have to tell you, I made a similar video by using cushions and cushion covers many years before. But today it's much easier than making it with cushion cover. We will be just using a blanket, and you only need to have just basic sewing skills. We need to fold the blanket into two sections like I'm showing here, and the longer side will be folded into a 4 parts or 2 sections. Then you can follow my step-by-step guide diagram and start sewing it. You can use some pins to hold the fabric together while sewing it so it will not slip around, and it will make much easier to sew if you are a beginner. It just need to sew 4 straight lines, and that's it. The middle parts should be left open. We will be using a ribbon closure technique for the back part of the sofa. For that, I am using 6 pieces of ribbon and hand sew it into the center part of each pocket. To fill it, I am using just regular cushion fillings, which is 50 by 50 centimeter size. And from this part, it's going to be super simple. Fill it and close it with the ribbons. Once it gets dirty, we can take it out as usual and wash it. Isn't that super simple? It can be a good addition for a kid's room. I'm gonna use it for my kids' study room. They're gonna love it, and I'm super happy because I can clean it once it gets dirty. Once you fill all the 6 cushions in, it's gonna be look like this, and you can keep it next to the wall because it definitely need to have a support to keep the position. And that's it. If you like the video or the idea, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.